Hello, this is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library bringing you a recipe in honor of Spain's International Book and Lovers Day. While mostly celebrated in Barcelona since 1714, it has spread throughout the country. Book stands are set up and women gift men books while men gift women flowers. One can compare it to a bookworm's equivalent to Valentine's Day. Today's cookbook highlight is The Food of Spain by Claudia Roden. The recipe for today is seafood paella without the shells. For your ingredients, you're going to need baby clams, onion, olive oil, garlic cloves, tomato, salt, turmeric, paprika, rice, fish stock, large shrimp, parsley dried or fresh, and lemon wedges. Step 1. Before getting into the recipe, I will show you an easy way to peel a tomato. First, remove any stickers, cut out the stem, and slice an X into the skin on the base of the tomato. Don't forget to properly wash the skin as well. Step 2. Lower the tomato into boiling water for 30 seconds. Then remove from heat and place in ice water to cool for 5 minutes. You should see the skin shrivel. Step 3. Remove from the water carefully as it will be slippery. The skin should just peel right off and you can chop it for your recipe. Step 4. Pour the oil in a deep pan and saute the onion until soft, stirring often. Stir in the garlic, and a few seconds later when the aroma rises, add the tomatoes and a little salt. Step 5. Once the sauce is reduced and jammy and the oil begins to sizzle, add the turmeric and the paprika. Stir well. Step 6. Add in your rice, stirring gently so that it is well coated with the sauce. Step 7. Bring the stock and the wine to a boil in a saucepan and pour over the rice. Add in a good amount of salt and stir well, spreading the rice out evenly in the pan. Do not stir the rice again while cooking. Step 8. Bring to a boil and cook over high heat for 3 minutes. Then reduce to low and cook for 10 minutes. Rotate the pan occasionally so that the rice cooks evenly. Step 9. Add a little water if the paella becomes too dry. Then put the shrimp on top of the rice and cook for another 8 minutes or until they are pink and the rice is done. Step 10. Mix in the clams and let cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove from heat and cover with a lid or tin foil and then let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Step 11. Sprinkle the paella with parsley and serve with the lemon wedge. Now all that's left is to enjoy. Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the GPL Collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.